volume. Mambo down under. Here we go. Forward, lock, step, quarter turn, grapevine. Mambo, side mambo, left and right. Volte turn. Face the back. Begin. Forward, lock, step, quarter turn, grapevine. Forward and back. Forward to the side, weave. Side rock, cross in 3. Quarter left. 1 and 2. Cross mambo with the right, double rocking chair with left. Cross mambo right over, turn left and serpiente in 3. Backside front, triple Lindy. Back recover, step, weave. Side mambo, forward lock step. Forward mambo, back with right foot. Woo! Quarter turn cross, grapevine. Side mambo, side to side. Volte turn. Face 9 o'clock. Forward lock step, quarter turn cross. Vine 4. Rock forward and side, weave. Cross in front. Quarter turn left. Cross mambo. Double rocking chair. Cross again. Quarter turn left and serpiente. Sweep back. Chasse. Triple to the right. Back recover step. Weave back. Side mambo. Forward with right lock step. Mambo left back 1, 2. Woo! Quarter right. Vine 4. Mambo. Side mambo. Volte left to the front. Begin. Quarter turn cross. Grapevine. Mambo rock forward and side. Back and cross. Sway, sway. 3 crosses in front. Quarter left turn. Face front. Double rocking chair. Second time. Quarter turn left. Serpiente. Chasse. Lindy right. Back rock step. Weave. Mambo side. Forward with right. Mambo left. Back with right, left. Woo! Mambo, grapevine right. Side to side. Volte left. Face 3 o'clock. Forward lock step. Quarter right cross. Grapevine. Mambo forward and side. Weave back. Sway, sway. 3 crosses. Quarter turn left. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Quarter left, right, left. Weave 1, 2, 3. Back 2, 3. Triple to the right. Rock back. Weave behind. Mambo left. Forward with a right lock step. Mambo step back, right, left. Woo!